Welcome to Dr. Ajay's Wisdom. As you can see in this video, Indian Army soldiers bravely pushed back Chinese Army soldiers at Ladakh. The cunning Chinese Army soldiers, as you will see in this video, are trying to throw away a wall which was made of stones, and they are trying to abolish that wall. Our Indian soldiers, they are confronting the Chinese soldiers here. You can see Chinese army is provoking our soldiers, but our soldiers are very much brave and they are restraining themselves too. But even a inch of army of China cannot enter the Indian side. Jai Hind, we basically are having a very brave army in the world. You can see how Chinese soldiers they provoke Indian army at Ladakh border. This is a strong face off. Every day they are doing like this, but this is not good on the part of China. World is seeing them. World sees that India wants peace. Even then the Chinese are provoking us. They are crossing the limits. They are trying to demolish a wall which is made up of stones, and you can see our Indian army soldiers are standing there. They are preventing them, but the Chinese soldiers they are trying to pick up the stones which are on the wall, and they are trying to break away the wall. But the Indian army is at its best. They are restraining themselves. As you can see, a wall is made up here, and there is a strong face off with Chinese army. On the left side of this video you can see Indian army soldiers, and they are trying to stop the Chinese soldiers, but the cunning Chinese soldiers they come again and again and they provoke our army. In this period of corona pandemic, China is doing this worst thing. Everybody in the world will see how China is provoking us, how China tries to grab the areas of other countries. It is the policy of the China to grab the areas of the nearby countries, but they are doing a grand and great mistake with India. India is a very strong country with strongest air force, army and navy. Here you can see in the minus degrees of the temperatures at Ladakh, our brave soldiers are standing here hand in hand and checking the army and soldiers of the China. This is one thing which is condemnable by the world. Everybody in the world, great UN and all agencies must see this before taking any action by the Indian army. They must restrain themselves, as India is the peace loving country, but we are not afraid of China. We will give a befitting reply to the China if he or she does the same again and again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Everybody should boycott Chinese product. Be Indian, use Indian product, made in India product, use them.